Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Kumar V, one of the team member in this project, and our project name is Classification of Arrhythmia by using Deep Learning. In this project, we build a web application which will run locally. In that web application, users can give the image as an input. Based on the image, they will shown as what kind of arrhythmia disease they have, right? We used a Python Flask and the Bootstrap for the front end, and we used a TensorFlow and the IBM Watson Studio to train the model. Also, we used a Keras for the backend steps. Let me discuss about the web application. In this web application, you can literally see a navbar which contains home information and the predict image sites, right? In the home page, you can literally see what is an arrhythmia disease, the type of ways in that ECG report. There was P wave and there was a Q wave, T wave, P interval in an ECG report. Let me move on to the information page. In that information page, you can literally see what kind of arrhythmia disease in this world. There was a 5 kind of arrhythmia disease based on that ECG report. All right. Let me move on to the predict image page. In this predict image page, you can see a choose file option. In that option, you can give your image as an input. Now I'm giving my image as an input. Based on that image, it will predict the which kind of arrhythmia disease you have, right? I'm clicking check ECG index, and it was shown as normal. It was a exact desired output what we chosen for. Um, Now I'm giving another image. And it's on premature arterial contraction. This was an exact desired result for this image. That's how this web app was work. Now we are going to how the web app was working in Python code, right? Let me discuss about in Python code. Now coming to this Python code, we just import libraries what will required. There was a Flask which was used as front end. There was a TensorFlow and a Keras for backend steps. Uh, Now we just routed by using that Flask. Based on that particular URL endpoint, we will route and target it to that particular pages, right? Based on these routes, right? Um, Now we coming to the upload page. There was a form which will get as user image as an input and post to that particular model, and that model will analyze what kind of arrhythmia disease they have. Based on that model, they will show which kind of arrhythmia disease, right? Also, this app was run in Waitress in locally with the help of survey, right? In this Watson Studio, we just trained our model. Uh, you can see in the first cell there was a zip file which has been imported by IBM bucket, right? On the next cell, we just unzipped the zip file by using this code which was inside this cell, and we just know about the path of the particular zip file. Now we are going to train our model. Uh, this is the code to train our model, which will be discussed previously. Um, you can see the test and the train variables. There you can the CNN layers, and you can see the dense layer. Um, and the end of the code, we just fitted generate the code, generate the model, right, and saved the model as a h5 file, right? This is how this cell was worked, right? You can see the model was trained, right? And next we are going to deploy our particular model in that deployment space, right? First of all, we need to convert our .h5 file into TGC file. Afterwards, we need to know about the particular path, right? And next we are going to use our API credentials with the help of API client. uh, Also, we need to know about what are the deployment spaces was already in the user, right? Then we are going to deploy the particular model based on the API key, right? This how this code was imported and deployed to the particular deployment space. And now you can see the model and the image was tested, right? The model initially was loaded. Afterwards, the image was taken in this image variable based on that image path, and we are going to check the image by pixels, right? That was stored in the x variable. Afterwards, we are going to predict the particular image, right? Based on that prediction, we will get the desired result, which was stored inside this result variable. Afterwards, we will publish or we will show the result to the users or end users, right? And this how the model and the test was integrated to the particular web application which was already mentioned previously, right? That's how our project was working. Thank you.